These homemade face packs work synergistically to brighten skin and remove tan, yielding visibly radiant skin in a short period. Their natural ingredients exfoliate dead skin cells, lighten dark spots, and hydrate the skin, revealing a brighter, more even complexion. Regular use ensures quick and noticeable results for a glowing appearance. Let's dive into 4 face packs. 1 Turmeric and Yogurt Face Pack. Turmeric and Yogurt Face Pack brightens skin and removes tan. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties reduce tan, while yogurt moisturizes. Combined, they form a potent mix that lightens skin and evens out complexion. Apply, leave for 15-20 minutes, and rinse for refreshed, radiant skin. Use regularly for optimal results. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons plain yogurt. Mix the turmeric powder with yogurt to form a smooth paste. Apply the mixture to your face and neck. Leave it on for about 15-20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties that can help brighten the skin and reduce tan, while yogurt helps to moisturize and soothe the skin. 2. Graham Flour and Lemon Face Pack. Graham Flour and Lemon Face Pack brightens skin and removes tan effectively. Graham flour exfoliates dead skin cells, revealing brighter skin, while lemon citric acid lightens dark spots and tan. Honey moisturizes, leaving skin soft and supple. Apply, leave for 15-20 minutes, then rinse for a radiant complexion. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons Graham flour, Besan, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon honey. Mix all the ingredients to form a paste. Apply the paste evenly on your face and neck. Let it dry for about 15-20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Graham flour acts as a natural exfoliant, while lemon helps in lightening dark spots and tan. Honey moisturizes the skin. 3 Papaya and Honey Face Pack. Papaya and Honey Face Pack rejuvenates skin and removes tan naturally. Papaya's enzymes exfoliate dead skin cells, promoting skin renewal and brightness. Honey adds moisture, leaving skin soft and hydrated. Apply the mixture, leave for 20-30 minutes, then rinse off for a refreshed, radiant complexion. Use regularly for optimal results. Ingredients: 1 2-cup ripe papaya, mashed, 1 tablespoon honey. Mix the mashed papaya with honey until well combined. Apply the mixture to your face and neck. Leave it on for about 20-30 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Papaya contains enzymes that can help exfoliate dead skin cells and promote skin renewal. Honey adds moisture and suppleness to the skin. 4 Cucumber and Aloe Vera Face Pack. Cucumber and Aloe Vera Face Pack soothes sunburn and reduces tan effectively. Cucumber's cooling properties calm sun-exposed skin, while aloe vera hydrates and rejuvenates. Together, they lighten tan and even out complexion. Apply, leave for 15-20 minutes, then rinse for refreshed, radiant skin. Consistent use yields optimal results. Ingredients: 1/2 cucumber, peeled and grated, 2 tablespoons fresh aloe vera gel. Blend the grated cucumber with aloe vera gel to form a smooth paste. Apply the paste evenly on your face and neck. Leave it on for about 15-20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Cucumber has cooling properties that can soothe sunburned skin and reduce tan, while aloe vera helps in hydrating and rejuvenating the skin. Remember to do a patch test before trying any new ingredient on your skin, especially if you have sensitive skin. Also, consistency is key with any skincare routine, so try to use these face packs regularly for best results. Homemade face packs offer a holistic approach to skincare, enhancing skin tone and confidence. By harnessing the power of natural ingredients, they brighten the complexion, remove tan, and promote a radiant glow. With their personalized and cost-effective nature, they empower individuals to embrace their natural beauty and radiate confidence. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more skincare and beauty videos.